inch taller and has a slight weight advantage. This one is Pakistan versus Kyrgyzstan. We're going global rules, mixed martial arts. That's 3 5-minute rounds. The bout will be judged as a whole. Knees to the grounded opponent are legal. No striking throws on the head, neck, or spine.
From the blue corner, Ырыскелди Duйшеев.
And is all over his opponents from the first bell to the last, round after round.
Chokes, arm bars, twisters, north-south chokes. Duйшeев is really one of the top prospects in the region.
From the red corner, Исмаил Khan.
In Pakistan, another man who has never tasted that he can be the first Pakistani MMA world champion.
And he told us how much it means to him to want to put MMA on the map in Pakistan.
He's super aggressive and a great grappler. So he said he was doing a lot of work up at altitude to prepare his heart to deal with the relentless onslaught of his opponent. He said, you know, my opponent...
Both men looking in tremendous shape. It is flyweight.
We have 3 5-minute rounds of flyweight MMA. Introducing first, out of the blue corner, training out of Gym Ataman, holding an MMA record of 9-0. Representing Kyrgyzstan, Ырыскелди, Kyrgyz finisher, Duйшеев. And introducing opponent, out of the red corner, training out of Cats Fight Club, holding an MMA record of 7-0. Representing Pakistan, Исмаил, the Volcano Khan.
Right here, right here. All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. Let's keep it clean. Touch gloves, let's do it.
Бонус. Бул супер фишка. Обайланышын колдонобуз. Бонус алабыз. Кофе ичебиз. Бонус алабыз. Сүйүктүүлөрүбүзгө гүлдесте тартуулайбыз. Бонус алабыз. Үй бүлө үчүн сатып алууларды ишке ашырабыз. Бонус алабыз. Өзүбүздү эркелетебиз. Бонус алабыз. Анан бонустарды каалаган нерсеге жумшайбыз. Же телефондун балансына которобуз. О бонустар мына ушинтип айланып жүрө берет. Өтө эле жөнөкөй, өтө эле пайдалуу.
Judge, and time. Ready.
Referee Erdine in charge on his flyweight mixed martial arts showdown. Duйшeев in the blue corner. Исмаил Khan in the red. Mixed martial arts action inside the legendary Lumpini Stadium. What a treat. Got Ryan McGrath, Achilles Rally and myself, Johnny Sub on the action. It's Исмаил Khan with a nice left hand to the face of Duйшeев. Big takedown early for Duйшeев.
Yeah, that came out of nowhere, that takedown. Duйшeев was making comfortable on the feet with the striking. And as soon as he felt Khan being comfortable, he level changed. Beautiful takedown, now in the top half guard position, dominating.
This is exactly where he wants to be. He's really in his element here. Half guard, full guard. He's going to take the opportunity to post up a little and then bring the pace some of that ground and pound.
Исмаил Khan looking to elevate with that butterfly hook, but Duйшeев so strong in this position. This is where he does his best work. Strong hip pressure, short strikes. He will just melt his opponents. There's a nice knee there to the head of Khan. Beautiful use of the knees to the head of downed opponent. Perfectly legal here under the global rule set.
Johnny, that was such high-level grappling. Khan did well to work the underhooks. That is why you see him on his feet now. It's this constant grappling for the underhooks, the control of the arms and the upper body. This is what's so grueling about being a high-level grappler. You can't help but think that at some point these two are going to disengage and they're probably going to try and throw bombs.
Like we talked about in the previous MMA bout, those transitions, those scramble situations are so important. Look here for Duyshev to throw a few jabs, use the front kick, and then throw that calf kick as well. He loves that kick.
Feeling that process in the first round, and another takedown from Duyshev. Just waiting for the one moment to capitalize. Pounces on Ismail Khan for a second takedown inside of 1 round.
Yeah, that was a lovely read on the leg kick. Khan tried to throw the leg kick early in the round. You could see Duyshev got a good read on that. Now you see him on top inside control. This is a position that you see often, but it's hard to keep people down in that position. As you can see, Khan made it well to his feet now. He's got an overhook here. He's going to need to fight for better position. Otherwise, Duyshev is just going to start chaining his takedowns together, keeping constant pressure on Ismail Khan. Oh, and there you see another double leg. I don't even know if that was a double. He wasn't really grabbing his legs. It was just a bear hug, basically. Picked him up and slammed him down again in the closed guard of Ismail Khan.
Duyshev so strong, and really we're going to see those scramble and transition moments in this fight so often, and it's going to come down to who can really control and dominate there, who can take advantage. And up until now, Duyshev is doing a great job of staying on top and really using all of his strikes, even his knees, in these top dominant positions.
Both men absolutely huge flyweights. Exerting a lot of energy as Duyshev steps right to mount. Beautiful hits from Khan to pop back up to his feet. Nice transitions. Duyshev is looking for a triangle as Khan enters on a double leg of his own.
Oh, Khan was really defying physics right there. The way that he got up, you can only be a superior athlete to get up that way. Just like you said, Johnny, the kind of training that he's been doing, picking up rocks, training up in the mountains, obviously is helping so far in this contest as the momentum starts to change and now he's on top. But Duyshev, like we said earlier, chaining in the takedowns. This is so important for grappling. You can't just find success with Duyshev now on the back all of a sudden of Khan. Both hooks sink in. This is a dangerous position for Khan to be in as Duyshev squeezes, and that is it.
Wow, in the battle of undefeated flyweights, it is Ырыскелди Дуйшеев that comes on top. Rear naked choke victory over the 7-0 Ismail Khan, handing him his first ever career defeat. What a victory for Ырыскелди Дуйшеев.
The relentless takedowns, which inevitably led to the back take of Ismail Khan. Duyshev stuck to that game plan. There you see both hooks sinks in. There was no chance of Khan getting out of that one.
Lock up the rear naked choke, nice and tight. It would take an incredible, a phenomenal gas tank to be able to outwork Ырыскелди Дуйшеев.
What a victory for Duyshev. Picks up his second finish in a row here on One Friday Fights.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 minutes and 30 seconds in the first round, your referee has called a stop to this contest. Your winner, by way of rear naked choke, Ырыскелди Дуйшеев!